So I'm going to do a review on this GoPro mount I found on Amazon. I've been using this for 4 years now. I've got one on my 6-pack rack on my ATV. And I got one on my son's bike over there on his back bar as well. I haven't had any problems with this thing. They don't rattle, they're not wobbly. You do have a 360 rotation on there. It's all aluminum. Pretty solid. This is, when it's locked in, there's no play at all. I had one other one a while back before I bought these 4 years ago that when it was on there, it would just kind of have some play in it. And I'm definitely happy with it. So I would definitely recommend it to anyone that's looking for a good mount for the back of their ATV, or you can mount it on your handlebar somewhere if it's wide enough. But yeah, I'll put the link in the description on it from Amazon. That's where I got these. I got 4 of them. They do come in other colors. There's a black, there's a blue, and I think there's a red. But yeah, I would definitely recommend getting these if you want to take some great videos with your GoPro and looking for a good, sturdy, stable mount. Like I said, it's all aluminum. Locks into place, 360 rotation. So check them out.